Yo, in code we write both day and night. We face some problems, tough or slight, but fret not, dev, don't feel the strain. Design patterns, ease the pain. They're not full code, not lines to paste, but ways to solve with logic laced. They guide the flow, they shape the path. To build with skill, avoid the wrath. Creational ones, they set the stage for how objects are born to engage. Singleton stands tall alone, one shared instance, one shared throne. Factory method crafts with grace, creating types in one set place. Structural styles then come in line to shape and link your class design. Adapter helps when types don't match, a plug to make connections latch. Decorator wraps more flair, add features but with style and care. Behavioral, the talk is loud, where objects act both meek and proud. Observer, listen when changes spark, something's new with barks and marks. Strategy swaps the logic flow, choose your path then go, go, go. So next time you are stuck or slow, don't let frustration start to grow. Just look for patterns tried and true, they'll guide the way to code that's new. Reusable tricks and code's grand art, design patterns of brilliant start. From G1F to modern flair, their wisdom passed for those who care.